Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Garmin Connect Plus. So let's get straight into it. Now open up your mobile app and okay, so first thing, this Garmin Connect Plus is a premium subscription which will provide advanced feature like AI powered insights, enhanced live track and a customizable performance dashboard. Now we can go further. So click on more at the top bottom right corner and scroll down to the settings with this gear icon. Click on that and at the top you will see directly Garmin Connect. Click on it and you will see here that you have 30 days free trial, but then is $90 per year or $9 per month, just like that. So key premium features that you have is activate intelligence. This will personalized AI insights and suggestion based on your health and activity data. Then you will have performance dashboard. You can then custom graphs and charts for deep dive analyze of your training trends. And as I mentioned before, this enhanced life track and nutrition tracking, it will also be available. You can also have some social perks, exclusive badges, challenges, profile frames, and the ability to earn badges globally, regardless of your physical location. And yeah, this is basically how you can get to this Garmin Connect Plus. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.